How you guys doing? This is Mike from 603 MTech Autowerks. Today, I'm going to show you a common problem on all 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz. Here I have a drive shaft and a U-joint. What happens is the U-joint breaks and causes damage to a lot of stuff. So I'm actually going to show you guys what happened to this GLK 350. So here you have it. There's the drive shaft. Here's the U-joint. What happens is the U-joint breaks off and it causes damage. So basically whatever's around, like the catalytic converter, the oil pan. This one obviously hit the oil pan. I've also seen damage to the bell housing. As you can see on the Cat, it also damages the O2 sensors. Here's what the drive shaft looks like before it's about to fail. This customer actually caught this just in time. If you don't catch it in time, it'll obviously cause all that damage to the oil pan and whatever it hits on the Cat. So if you drive or are looking to purchase a Mercedes 4MATIC and you're dealing with clunking noise when taking off or putting in park or putting in reverse, I would definitely get this to a shop to get looked at, to inspect. If you're in the New England area, I recommend you reaching out to us at 603 MTech Autowerks and we'll be happy to get your car looked at.